Have you ever tried to speak English, but your mind suddenly goes blank? You know the words, but your mouth can't keep up. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Today, you will practice English speaking using the shadowing technique. This technique helps you speak naturally and confidently. I will say a sentence and you will repeat it immediately after me. Do not pause, do not translate, just repeat. Try to copy my speed, rhythm, and emotion. This practice is divided into 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Each level will challenge you a little more. If it feels fast, that is normal. You can always pause and repeat the video. Take a deep breath and relax. Let's begin. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I stretch my body. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I get dressed. I make my bed. I drink some water. I eat breakfast. I check the time. I check my phone. I leave my room. I leave the house. I go to work. I take the bus. I arrive at work. I say hello to people. I start my work. I focus on my tasks. I take a short break. I eat lunch. I continue working. I finish my work. I go back home. I relax a little. I eat dinner. I get ready for bed. I go to sleep. I usually wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes and get out of bed slowly. I stretch my body to feel more awake. I walk to the bathroom and wash my face. I brush my teeth while thinking about my day. I take a quick shower to wake up. I dry my hair and get dressed. I make my bed before leaving the room. I drink a glass of water. I prepare a simple breakfast. I eat breakfast and check the time. I check my phone for messages. I grab my bag and keys. I leave the house on time. I go to work by bus. I listen to music on the way. I arrive at work around 8. I greet my coworkers politely. I start working on my tasks. I try to stay focused. I take a short break to rest. I have lunch at noon. I talk with my coworkers. I return to work after lunch. The afternoon passes quickly. I finish my tasks for the day. I leave work in the evening. I go back home feeling tired. I relax for a while. I eat dinner at home. I prepare for bed calmly. I fall asleep easily. I usually wake up early and take a moment to gather my thoughts. After getting out of bed, I stretch to shake off the sleep. I head to the bathroom to start my morning routine. Washing my face helps me feel refreshed instantly. I brush my teeth while planning my day ahead. A quick shower wakes me up completely. I dry my hair and choose comfortable clothes. Before leaving my room, I make my bed neatly. I drink water to stay hydrated. I prepare breakfast and enjoy it slowly. While eating, I check the time and my schedule. I glance at my phone for important updates. I grab my belongings and get ready to leave. I step outside and lock the door behind me. On my way to work, I take public transportation. I listen to a podcast to stay motivated. The commute gives me time to think and relax. I arrive at work feeling prepared. I greet my coworkers with confidence. I organize my tasks and set priorities. I focus deeply on my work. I take breaks when I feel overwhelmed. Around midday, I stop to have lunch. After lunch, I return with renewed energy. The afternoon goes by faster than expected. By the end of the day, I feel accomplished. I finish my work and pack my things. I head back home in the evening. Once home, I unwind and relax. I enjoy a calm dinner. I reflect on my day quietly. I fall asleep ready for tomorrow. After dinner, I take some time to rest quietly.